How does options arbitrage work? This is a trade strategy that makes small profits with little to no risk. And in this video, we will show how it works using Suncor Energy, because today, August 30, we detected a lot of unusual options using this strategy. So before we get into it, Suncor Energy is one of our member trades 2 weeks ago on August 16. We shared this with our members, and you can see since then it's been up about 7.5% in the past 2 weeks. So if you are one of our members, this video is just for demonstration purposes on the arbitrage. It does not mean we are changing our trades or anything of that sort. This is just for purely educational information purposes. Okay, so this 30 strike call here and the 32 strike call. Notice the times are being done at the same time, right? And it's just a $2 wide call spread, okay? Which means the max profit you could get between these two is $2. And if you look at the price here, if they sell the 30 strike call for $4.39 and buy for $2.30, what are we left with? $4.39 subtracted by the $2.30. You see here, this is $2.09. Okay, this is happening because of this wide market spread here, especially the 30 strike here at 2.92 on the bid, and the ask is 5.2. Very wide spread here, and this is where the arbitrage is happening because of this wide. So let's take a look at the analysis graph of this. When you take these prices and do the math and get 2.09, look what happens to the trade when we analyze it. So here we are at the 30 strike calls for September 15, and here's the 32 strike calls, okay? So let's do what they did. They sold that and bought the 32, and this was 209 credit, right? So now when we analyze the trade, you can now see what this looks like here. So notice that as we move on the price of the stock, on the x-axis with our mouse, the blue line is pretty much flat here, all along here, and it's showing up as $9 all the way over here. This is the profit, right? So if it goes up, that's all $9, right, at expiration date because of this $9 here. Nowhere on this profit loss graph is there a loss at expiration, right? Even if we can see the minus 16 here, but at expiration it's going to become profitable at 9 because of the positive theta here. Okay, that's going to push the value of this trade up. So these call the spread here is no loss at any time of this stock trading. In fact, if this stock drops even lower, you can see that actually it becomes even more profitable, more than $9. And so essentially, this is a no risk hedge on this trade, right? So there is no risk here, yet they could make $209 here for every one of their trades, right? Or they can make $9 if it stays around this price level, right? From this level here at $32, where Suncor Energy, if its stock prices anywhere above $32, they can make this $9 here. If it drops lower, they can start making $209, which is this credit that they collected. They get to keep the full credit of that they had sold this call spread for. And so this is how this arbitrage options trading works. Okay, so and that's very likely why there was so many unusual options activity today on Suncor Energy, because there is no risk here. Okay, this is an arbitrage trade strategy. Okay, and so that's something, a good demonstration, and something that you can look out for and you can see. Sometimes you can see and find these opportunities in the market when it's not very efficient, when the bid-ask prices are very wide. Okay, these are very wide spreads, and when that happens, there's opportunities to use arbitrage to trade like this. This does not necessarily mean Suncor Energy will go down drastically or something, but it does provide this very good opportunity to hedge with no cost and no risk, essentially. Okay, so that is what's happening today when all these unusual options in the hundreds of thousands started to show up towards the last hour here too, right? At 318, 317, 258, okay, 256. Okay, so that is our explanation for what is going on here and what arbitrage is with options trading and how you could identify it. If you learned something, please smash that like button. And if you are interested in our member trades, such as Suncor, which is one of our trades, make sure to sign up and join our membership. Click the join button, and we will share exclusive videos on other stocks with unusual options activity and our strategies on how we trade it.